everybody, I am Bunky and welcome to Bunky's Workshop, and I am doing an unboxing today. So I have purchased two items from eBay. One, I think if you've already seen the one video, I unboxed it, put it together, it does not work. I'm disappointed. Sent a message to the eBay seller and we're going to see what happens. So now I'm going to unbox the second item. And I'm going to bring you along, and maybe this one will fire up. Here it is. So here's the second one. Let's open it up, and let's see if we have some good luck with this one today. Tough tape on here. There we go. Excuse me. So let's put it on the floor and I'll bring it up in parts. I'm sure this handle is probably giving it away for some of you experts out there. Any hints or any ideas? Well, is this a clue for you? There you go. Wow, and look, they sent some nasty dirt with it. Well, let's see if we can open this up. Well, what do you think? I love this color. Wheels look okay. Wheels looking okay. Brush roll looks like it's in really good condition. I can feel there's a belt on there. Really no rust. I can tell somebody's been putting the belt on backwards. That's okay. Now, It looks like we're missing the nut for this. So God knows where it's at in this box. Because I know when I pulled it out, one fell on the floor. So let's hope and pray that the other one fell out on the floor. My question is, why don't they just put it in a little Ziploc baggie? Instead of just throwing everything in a box. And this paper is from January 2022. Well, so far, nothing, unless it's in the wonderful box. Oh, there it is. All right, let's see if we can get the rest of this put together. There we go. I'm only going to hand tighten this because you just never know. Wow. Sent me dirt and all. Okay. Bag's just a little dirty, but that's okay. They're washable. Well, there you go. All put together. The deluxe Hoover convertible. Huh. They sure did make these things heavy, didn't they? Handle. It's a little tight. That's nothing we can... Yeah, it needs a little bit of a cleaning and some grease. But that's okay. Not a problem. That is fixable. So let's get it over to the other side. Let's plug this in and hope and pray that it doesn't explode on us. See you on the other side. Okay, there you go. It is all put together. Let's plug it in and hope and pray this works. eBay finds make me nervous. They're fun to buy and play with, but you just never know if something's going to work or not. Here we go. that's not bad, huh? I hear a bag in there. Let's check this out before I do anything. Okay, it does have a bag. So let's see what happens. Okay, give me a second and we're going to throw some dirt down. Okay, so we have some rice. That's some crunchies, huh? And we're going to do some ground coffee. And we're going to see what this old girl can do. Not bad. Of course, you have that little line of shame, but it's not bad at all. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of rice. Other than that, not bad for an old vacuum. You definitely can see the agitation in the carpet. But let's suck up the rest. Well, there you go. She purrs like a kitten, and she cleans very well. I love these old vacuums. That sound of the vintage motor, and then the sound of the brush roll on the carpet just sounds really good. I know they're not like top of the line, brand new, best in the world as in cleaning and dust emissions and all that. But you know what? Back in the day, this was the top of the line machine, you know, when they were coming out with all kinds of vacuums back then. But tons of people had these old time vacuums, you know. But anyway, I'm going to clean it up, polish it up, you know, take the bag apart, clean the whole 9 yards. You know, I should make a video of me doing that. You might enjoy that. Put your comment down in the comment section below if you'd like to see me take one of these apart. I've never did a video like that, but I can. I definitely need to learn how to de-suppressor these old girls. The one that I just talked about that I got from eBay, you'll see when I released the video, didn't work. And I need to figure that one out. But anyways, on this one, I am happy with it. I will take it apart and I will clean it and give it some love and add it to my collection. I love this blue teal color. And until next time, have a great day, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now.